Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your copy and paste functionality is not working in Windows 7. So if you are trying to right click and it's not working properly, let's fix that guys. Go to start search menu, search here CMD, right click on CMD and run as administrator, click yes. Now we want to type here sfc space slash SCANNOW SFC space slash SCANNOW. Press enter guys. Verification is running down guys. Wait for it. After finishing this, go ahead and restart your PC guys. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys like it. I hope this tutorial definitely worked for you. Thanks for watching my video.